going on, everyone? Just doing a quick video on our FTMO account here, which is the 4th attempt. And I should have put out a video before the end of the week, but I just got caught up. However, we did unfortunately hit both of our max daily loss and our overall loss that we were supposed to stay within the parameters. This happened near the end of the week, which was caused by the American dollar taking a bit of a hit, which was causing one of our pairs to actually go into deep drawdown. Up until that point, we were doing really well. Even at the beginning of the week, we were handling drawdown perfectly, and then a piece of news came out which really affected one of the pairs that we were in, and we just plummeted down. Quick little overview though. So we started the account on August 11th, and it ends in a couple of days from now. We used the $10,000 account with the FTMO swing account, and as you can see here, we've done about 7 days so far, and you can see that our max daily loss was around $1,400 and our max loss around this amount. And we're nowhere near our profit right now because we're in big drawdown, but as you can see, we were doing quite well with a 61% success rate, and we were in about 52 trades. As you can see right here, from when we started, we were making fairly decent profit throughout the days. There were only a few days that we didn't make very much, but overall it was looking really nice, and I was really hoping that when we made it to the end of the second week that we'd be able to go into our final week, which was the third, which would cause us to eventually pass. But unfortunately, we hit that big drawdown with the pair that we're in right now. I forget which one it is, but I'll be sure to post that on the stories. You can see right here the pairs that we had open so far, so a little bit of everything. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's unfortunate that we didn't hit our goal, and I think we still have to be a little bit more hands-on, where, you know, if a big news like this comes out, maybe it's just best to turn it off for that period amount of news, so that when it does go down, you know, we're not hitting these big numbers. Because from what I'm starting to see now, a lot of these big drawdowns that are happening that could be prevented are caused by news coming out and then us already being in the trade for the opposite direction. So we need to figure that out somehow. But besides that, I think what we're doing with the new profit factor being lowered, and then also the lot size, fixed lot size being lowered, we're seeing some improvement in the profit. And I believe if we go any lower, we may not ever be able to hit the target. Now I think we're just mitigating the risk of when news comes into play. So that's pretty much it. The market has just opened up. This is my personal account. This is the FTMO account here. So as you can see, we're in a bunch of positions here. One with USD CAD, and this one here, GBP-USD. I think this is the one that we took the biggest hit. Yeah, this is the one that took a fairly big hit. As you can see, we've been in buy, and it's kind of plummeted down. So that's the one that caused us most of the trouble, and why we, as you can see, kind of lost this challenge. But that's okay. We'll get back started on the new challenge. We'll make a few tweaks, and hopefully you know, we can see a little bit of improvement. But we did fail this 4th attempt. It's unfortunate. I felt like we were really going to do well by the end of the second week. I thought we were going to actually make it through, and then it was I think Thursday or Friday where things started to take a bit of a turn. I think it was like come Friday morning when everything really started to blast off. So you know, we almost made it to that end of the second week, but we couldn't make it there. So we're gonna go on with the fifth attempt, which starts in a couple of days, and yeah, a new video for that one, for that new attempt. So keep an eye open for that. I'm gonna probably make one more video just going over potential changes that we could do for the 5th attempt, but that's pretty much it for the 4th attempt right here. I just wanted to go over the active trades and anything that was happening, our drawdown, and just everything that we've seen throughout the 2 weeks. So thanks anybody who's been watching. If you have any suggestions or any ideas that we could do to pass this a little bit better, be sure to leave a comment down below. Please like and subscribe, and have a great trading week, everyone.